Chuck Glenn says, does having a degree in interdisciplinary studies in concentrations like information assurance, criminal justice, and education, and CompTIA Security Plus make you marketable in cybersecurity? Yes. Yes, it does. So you have a very similar, like I have criminal justice, I've got information assurance, and security plus, and I've taught before, so I have all those things, and those have helped me. And here's how. So I'll get into a position. For example, right now, I recently got a job. I've been in this job for about 8 months now. Just so happens I do information security, which is information assurance. So that helps out. So they see that on my resume, like, okay, this is good. Okay, this guy's got risk management framework experience. Great. Okay. He's got cyber security analyst information experience. Okay, that's good. And then when I did the interview, they asked me, would you be comfortable doing physical security checks? And I said, yes, because I have a background in physical security. So I started listing out all the stuff I've done with physical security, and happen to have a criminal justice degree from when I was in the military. So yeah, to answer your question, interdisciplinary studies, that's why so many vets are able to get jobs, because a lot of times we have, especially if you're able to market yourself, which I talk about and spill the beans in this course right here. This one right here. No, not this one. That's not the right one. This one right here. Resume marketing for cybersecurity IT. I talk about all the tricks that I've learned over the years. Everything I do. It's a surprisingly simple breakdown of what I do, and it really works, man. It really works. If you don't have the cash for it, I understand. You can go through my videos on Convo Courses on YouTube. A lot of the stuff that I talk about, not all of it, but a lot of it is free. So just go and search through, and I break it down. But what can I tell you right now about it? About interdisciplinary, how to find those jobs is you got to market yourself. You take all your skills that you have and you put it in a format that the recruiters, the technical recruiters, are looking for. If you want an example of what that looks like, go to linkedin.com. Check out somebody else's resume who comes up as number one. Check them out. Look at how they word it. Look at their keywords, how they word it, and then copy, not word for word, obviously. Copy the tone and the word usage. You of course using your own personal experience. That's what I would recommend to you. Hope that answered your question, Chuck. Okay, moving on to the next one.